Number 1.
1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,900, being offered in excellent running and driving condition, making it a dependable choice for both daily use and light-duty work. This extended cab pickup has covered 112,000 miles and is powered by a durable 5.2L V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, running on gasoline. It features an attractive blue exterior matched with a clean and well-kept gray interior, giving the truck a classic and appealing look. The vehicle comes equipped with convenient features such as power windows and power door locks, enhancing everyday usability. The air conditioning system blows cold, ensuring a comfortable ride in warmer weather. Mechanically, the truck has been well maintained, sitting on good tires with approximately 80% tread remaining, providing solid traction and longevity. It also has a recently installed new battery and is fitted with good brakes, contributing to its overall reliability and safety.
Number 2.
2000 Ford Ranger, price $5,950. It has traveled 142,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, powered by a strong V6 gasoline engine. The truck features a striking burgundy exterior paired with a clean tan interior, giving it a classic and appealing look. As a 4x4 short bed model, it is both practical and versatile, suitable for a variety of driving needs.
It comes fitted with new tires and stylish Craigar wheels, enhancing its overall appearance and performance.
The vehicle runs and drives great, and it has recently passed smog inspection with excellent results. Registration is valid for 1 full year, and the seller is willing to accompany the buyer to the DMV, where California plates can be issued on the same day, helping avoid delays typically associated with title processing.
Number 3.
1996 Ford Ranger, price $4,455. The truck has covered 196,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a gold exterior paired with a tan interior, and runs on gasoline. This Ranger comes with the reliable 3.0L V6 OHV 12-valve fuel-injected engine, well known for its durability and ease of maintenance, making it a dependable choice for a daily driver or a practical work truck. Despite its age, the vehicle remains clean both inside and out, offering a comfortable XLT interior along with the added space of an extended cab. It is also well equipped with convenient features such as power windows, power door locks, cruise control, a tilt steering wheel, and a cold air conditioning system, enhancing overall comfort and usability.
Number 4.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,700, well-maintained and reliable classic truck that has traveled 178,000 miles, featuring an automatic transmission and a rich burgundy exterior that still presents nicely for its age. Powered by a 350 engine paired with a newer 4L60E transmission, it offers a solid balance of performance and durability. This truck has seen significant recent maintenance, including transmission work and replacement of front suspension components completed less than 10,000 miles ago, ensuring it continues to drive smoothly. It has clearly been cared for by its previous owner, with detailed written records covering all work performed over the past 30,000 miles. For a 31-year-old vehicle, it remains in impressive condition, showing very minimal rust and standing as a strong example of a well-preserved, dependable pickup.
Number 5.
1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,995. With 140,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered pickup features a strong-running 5.7L V8 engine paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission, delivering reliable power and torque for hauling, towing, or everyday driving. Finished in a green exterior with a gray interior, the truck has been kept clean and well-maintained for its age. Its rugged body style continues to stand out, reflecting the timeless appeal of Chevrolet's work trucks. Equipped with the Silverado trim, it offers a comfortable interior while still preserving the tough, functional feel expected from a classic heavy-duty pickup. Overall, this Chevrolet 2500 represents a dependable and capable truck built to handle demanding tasks while maintaining a level of comfort and style.
Number 6.
2001 Ford Ranger, price $5,950, well-maintained pickup with just 86,000 miles, making it an exceptionally low-mileage example for its age. It features a 3.0L V6 flex fuel engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, offering a reliable and smooth driving experience. The truck comes in a beige exterior with a clean tan interior, giving it a classic and well-kept appearance. This vehicle has a clean title and has had only 2 previous owners.
It has been recently detailed and fully serviced, ensuring it is in excellent condition both inside and out.
The Ranger runs and drives great, making it a dependable option for daily use or light-duty work. Overall, it is a solid, ready-to-go pickup that stands out due to its condition and low mileage.
Number 7.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, with a brown exterior complemented by a matching brown interior, giving it a cohesive and vintage look. This truck has been lowered with a 3/5 drop and is equipped with new IHC upper and lower control arms, enhancing both its stance and handling. The interior remains clean and well kept, with no cracks on the dashboard, an uncommon plus for a vehicle of this era. It runs smoothly with no known issues, reflecting proper care and maintenance over time. The vehicle comes with registration and title in hand, making it ready for a straightforward transfer. Its exterior showcases a natural patina on the paint, adding character and authenticity that many classic truck enthusiasts appreciate.
Number 8.
2001 Dodge Dakota, price $3,000. It has traveled approximately 148,000 miles and is equipped with a 3.9L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, featuring a recently installed brand new clutch. The truck comes in a clean white exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The vehicle runs and drives well, offering reliable performance overall. It is a 4x4 model, however, it currently requires a front driveshaft to fully restore its 4-wheel drive capability. The truck has been lifted and leveled by approximately 2.5 inches, giving it a more aggressive stance, and is fitted with new shocks along with 31 by 10.5 or 15 tires that still have decent tread remaining. Additional features include a toolbox in the bed, adding extra utility. While it performs well, it will need some attention, including a replacement battery and repair of a power steering leak.
Number 9.
2000 Ford F350, price $2,900, with 212,000 miles on the odometer. This heavy-duty truck comes equipped with a powerful V10 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. It features a clean and classic blue exterior complemented by a tan interior, offering a practical and comfortable setup for both work and daily use. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives excellently with zero reported mechanical issues, making it a reliable option for its next owner. The air conditioning system works perfectly and blows ice-cold air, ensuring comfort even in hot conditions.
In addition, the truck is ready to pass emissions without any concerns and comes with a clean Arizona title, adding further peace of mind for buyers. Number 10.
1987 Dodge Dakota, price $2,500, featuring a clean title and 106,000 miles on the odometer. This classic pickup runs and drives great, powered by a gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It comes finished in a gray exterior with a beige interior. The truck remains largely all original, which adds to its appeal for those seeking an authentic vintage vehicle. It is equipped with manual windows and a functional air conditioning system. In addition, the vehicle has been fitted with newer tires, helping ensure better road performance and reliability. To further enhance its value, the owner has invested over $1,000 in new spare parts, indicating ongoing care and maintenance.